In this chat, I'm breaking down why some roofs look like a total water trap and what you can actually do about it if you're eyeballing a place with one of these funky designs. So, you've probably seen those mid-century butterfly roofs or flat concrete roofs that slope inward, right? They're kinda cool looking, but honestly, they can be a nightmare when it comes to water pooling. Back in the day, folks thought these designs were slick because they showed off some fancy engineering with slopes under 10 degrees to keep water moving off the roof. But here's the kicker. Over time, debris and leaves clog up those gentle slopes, and any slight dip in the roof turns into a permanent puddle that just won't quit. Plus, extreme weather plays major havoc. Hot summers can warp the wood framing under the roof, and cold winters dump snow in the middle that melts slowly and keeps refreezing, which presses down hard on the rafters. The water pooling isn't just ugly. It literally weighs down the roof structure and invites leaks or rot. If you own a place like this, regular yearly inspections are a must to catch problems early. But honestly, if you start seeing standing water all the time, it's time to think about serious repairs or even a full roof replacement. One simple trick is to get a pro to add better drainage, maybe install internal drains or scuppers that help water escape instead of staying stuck. Also, keeping that roof clear of debris year-round is key, so grab a leaf blower or hire maintenance folks to keep it clean. One of the biggest mistakes with these low-slope or butterfly roofs is ignoring the maintenance schedule because people think, hey, it looks fine now. That's a fast way to end up with leaks or warped wood inside your ceiling. Another common issue is not addressing small dips or sagging spots early on. Water pools there and makes it worse fast. Lastly, trying to patch leaks without fixing drainage problems is like putting a band-aid on a broken leg. It won't last long and will cost more in the long run. So if you spot any puddling or soft spots, get an expert in as soon as possible to evaluate the structure and drainage before it gets out of hand. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch for this kind of stuff. It connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know what they're doing with tricky roofs like these. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid way to find clients who need help with roof repairs or replacements without all the usual hassle.